It's a robbery. Now get on the ground. Give me that wallet and hush your mouth. Right now, get on the ground.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Ella! Y. No, stop! A, B, C, D, Y. You're doing
Ella es bonita.
Shimmy, mama. California oranges, Texas. We think your TV's a little bit. Roll up the two, baby, get those moves.
Teaching Chong and sell tapes from here to Hong Kong. So roll my joint. Pick out the Caesar stems. Feeling high as hell, flying through Palmdale, skating on Dayton rims. So roll the 83.
I need a nose job. That's and I need a breast inflammation. I need a breast reduction. I need liposuction. I need ass enhancement. I need a soul.
Motherfucker! I like eggs. I like them. If this tornado tore down Carroll High School,
I would praise God if the tornado took me.
I'm gonna go play on the rain! Didn't Mom use strict orders to go hide in the bathroom right now?
Yeah.
Go run those puddles. Go. Take your clothes. Pull your pants down. Pull them down. Pull your pants down. No. Gonna get me. Play in the puddles now.
I don't want to play the puddles anymore.
You think you're tough shit, don't you?
I was born without a digestive system.
She got a nice ass though.
Yeah.
Not you. Oui, and bonjour. Oui. Hop on. Let's go for a ride, Rex. Really? Will you give me a piggyback ride? Will you give me a piggyback?
Let's go for a ride, Rex.
Will you give me a piggyback ride?
No, I'm not gonna give you a piggyback ride.
You got a camel on your body. You got a camel on your body. What are you talking about? I didn't know you had to pet camel.
Yeah.
Oh my god! Go get it. Go get it. Goodbye.
Farewell. There'll be the I do. Thank you.
And I dig it when you baby me.
More beautiful than the word. Matter of fact, beautiful ain't the word. Unexplainable is the beauty of her.